Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to help you enhance your English skills. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of language learning and providing you with some practical advice on how to improve your English proficiency. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, let's get started on this language learning journey together. Let's kick off our list with some effective tips and tricks to enhance your English skills. Practice, practice, practice. The key to improving any language skill is regular practice. Engage in activities that immerse you in English, such as reading books, listening to podcasts, watching movies, or having conversations with native speakers. Set specific goals. Define your learning objectives and set achievable goals for yourself. Whether it's mastering a specific grammar rule or expanding your vocabulary, having clear objectives will keep you motivated and focused. Create a study routine. Establish a consistent study routine that works for you. Dedicate a specific time each day or week to study English, and stick to it. Consistency is crucial for progress. Surround yourself with English, immerse yourself in the English language as much as possible. Change the language settings on your devices, listen to English music, and try to think and speak in English as often as you can. Now, let's focus on some tips to improve your vocabulary skills. Read extensively. Read books, newspapers, and online articles in English to expose yourself to a wide range of vocabulary. Highlight unfamiliar words and look up their meanings to expand your word bank. Use flashcards. Create your own flashcards with new words and review them regularly. Flashcards are a fun and interactive way to memorize vocabulary and improve retention. Contextual learning. Learn new words in context by using them in sentences. This will help you understand their usage and make them more memorable. Word association. Connect new words with something familiar to you. Associate a new word with an image, a story, or a personal experience to enhance your recall. Let's move on to some tips for improving your grammar skills. Study grammar rules. Familiarize yourself with the basic grammar rules of English. Use grammar books, online resources, or language learning apps to practice and reinforce your understanding. Incorporate grammar exercises. Solve grammar exercises regularly to apply your knowledge and identify areas that need improvement. Many websites and apps offer interactive grammar quizzes and exercises. Join language exchange programs. Engage in language exchange programs or find a language exchange partner online. Interacting with native speakers or other learners will help you practice grammar in context and receive feedback on your language use. Watch educational videos. Many online platforms offer informative videos on English grammar. These videos explain complex grammar concepts in an easy to understand way and can be a valuable learning resource. Lastly, let's discuss some tips for improving your speaking and listening skills. Engage in conversations. Find language exchange partners or join conversation groups to practice speaking. Regularly engaging in conversations will help you improve fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in your speaking abilities. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks. Listen to podcasts, radio shows, and audiobooks in English to expose yourself to different accents, intonations, and speech patterns. This will enhance your listening skills and improve your ability to understand spoken English. Repeat and mimic. When listening to native speakers, Repeat and mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Pay attention to how they express themselves in different situations and try to emulate their speech patterns. Watch movies and TV shows with subtitles. Watch English language movies and TV shows with subtitles to improve your listening comprehension. Start with subtitles in your native language, then switch to English subtitles as your skills progress. And that concludes our comprehensive guide on tips and tricks to improve your English skills. Remember, language learning is a gradual process, so be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy learning!